Okay, welcome back to the Keto Bistro. I have my keto helper in the kitchen with me today, and we're going to make chocolate mug cake. Okay, so we're going to start with our dry ingredients. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons coconut flour and just pour it right into the mug. Then we're using 2 tablespoons of the unsweetened cocoa powder. Then we're going to use a 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. Okay, a pinch of salt. Okay, and now our last dry ingredient is the monk fruit sweetener. So I'm just using the classic white, 2 tablespoons of that. She's going to stir that up. So she's just going to mix it in there real well, get everything incorporated before we add our wet ingredients. Okay, now that the dry ingredients are mixed well, we're going to take 1 egg. We're going to crack it and put it in a separate bowl or mug. Perfect. Let's check in there. She does a great job. No shells. She does a perfect job. And then our other helper is going to finish with our wet ingredients. So we're going to take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Perfect. 2 tablespoons of almond milk. And our last wet ingredient is our vanilla extract, so a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So all of our wet ingredients are going to be mixed up. So she's just going to use a fork and mix them up real well before we add them to our dry ingredients. She's getting them all mixed in good so everything's incorporated. So now she's going to spray one of our little baking dishes all over the sides and the bottom to make sure it doesn't stick. And we're going to do 2 little mug cakes out of this. So now that the dishes are ready, we're going to take the wet ingredients and we're going to pour them into our other mug. And you can cook straight from this mug if you would like to make your cake. We're going to separate it and make 2 servings. So now she's going to mix this up. Until it's like ooey gooey chocolate batter, yum. Make sure there's no dry ingredients around the edge. And on the bottom. So she's going to take our mixture and pour it into our 2 cups. So she's going to put 1/2 in one. And 1/2 in the other. Okay, so both little cakes are going in the microwave. And how long are you going to bake them in the microwave?
50 seconds.
50 seconds. It's going to come out nice and fluffed up like that. And now we're in for the taste test.
Delicious.
All right, you did a great job.